Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect on delay timer connection wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single pole MCB circuit breaker, on delay timer, magnetic contactor, motor. First phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection. First phase connection into MCB circuit breaker. First phase connection from MCB circuit breaker to connect on delay timer 2 point. Neutral connection to on delay timer. First phase connection output from on delay timer to connect magnetic contactor coil connection. 3 phase connection connect into magnetic contactor. Neutral connection connect into magnetic contactor coil connection. 3 phase connection from magnetic contactor to connect motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.